Good morning, you beautiful people, and it is Mahashoshti's morning, and we are about to leave Kolkata as we board our flight to Bagdogra, just catching up some quick breakfast at the Kolkata lounge.
मदद करेगी आपका निकटतम द्वारा किसी से भी हो सकता है आपातकाल स्थिति में अपने सामान की परवाह ना करें और सबकी सुरक्षा को ध्यान में रखते हुए जितनी जल्दी हो सके विमान से बाहर निकलने की कोशिश करें अधिक जानकारी के लिए सीट पॉकेट में रखें सुरक्षा नियम साथ को ध्यान से पढ़िए वी रिक्वेस्ट फॉर ये कंप्लीट अटेंशन
You all can see the meandering Teesta River as we are heading towards the Bagdogra airport. It's a defense airport, so no photography is allowed. I'll catch you again when I'm in the car. Stay tuned. Lots of mountain traffic, but I just want you all to focus on the beautiful sound that is coming. It's just an insect. It seems like somebody is ringing the bells of the temple. So we are currently at a place called Kirne, which is like 3 kilometers from Maldi, and we have stopped here for lunch. What are you eating in lunch?
Momo, chicken momo.
Chicken momo, and it is like a roadside restaurant, but the view from here is spectacular. My mother and I are having chicken momo, and my father is busy munching on paratha, some saag ki sabzi and omelette. Lunch is over and we are finally heading towards Gangtok. There is insane amount of traffic currently in Sikkim because of the Durga Puja vacation, and I feel that half the population of the West Bengal has currently backpacked their ways to Sikkim. It's peaceful, but it's taking us a lot of time to reach Gangtok. So we have finally reached Gangtok, and this is my third visit to Gangtok after 19 years actually. The last time I was in Gangtok when I was on my way to Yumthang and Zero Point, and that was 19 years back. So I could hardly recognize the city. It has developed immensely, but it's good to see that people have advanced over here as well. It's 4 p.m. in the evening and we have reached our hotel, Summit Norling Resorts and Spa. And today we are extremely tired because we had to wake up very early in the morning and catch a flight. So today I'm going to show you the interior and give you the room tour of my room, but tomorrow I'm going to show you the exterior. So this is my room. It's a deluxe room for family with the balcony. On to your left you can keep your luggage, and as you move forward towards the right is the bathroom, the most important part that I take care when I'm in a hotel, and I ensure it's absolutely clean. So there's a bathtub. I'm soon going to jump in and take a hot shower. And we have the hair dryer. We have all modern amenities that is required. And as you're moving out of the bathroom, you can see the closet right in front of you. You can hang your clothes over there. There's some blankets also inside the cupboard if you need at night. And there's the electric kettle, 2 bottles of water for your early morning tea and coffee. It's very essential. You can see 1 king size bed and 1 single bed, perfect for your cozy and comfortable sleep at night. Then there's this big television about which I really don't care when I'm in the mountains. I barely switch on TV. What matters is this corner. This is where I can sit and spend my whole day just by staring at this view. I can't wait to wake up tomorrow morning when I sit on the bed and watch this. Moving out of the room, there is this common lobby where my parents are sitting and having some serious conversation. I don't know regarding what. But yeah, opposite to this common lobby is the dining table where you can have your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And adjacent to this common lobby are many rooms, and all the rooms are packed with guests because this is absolutely the season and this hotel is entirely booked. You can sit on the sofa in the evening and have your cup of coffee, and there's another story on top where more rooms are located. So it's 4:45 p.m. right now, and suddenly the weather over here is pretty cloudy, and I can feel a nip in the bud. It has become a little chilly. So yeah, I'm sitting outside in the balcony, and mom just made me a cup of black coffee. So I'm going to enjoy my black coffee with this amazing view. See you on the other side. So we are having some french fries and dry chili chicken for snacks as we were extremely hungry. Once I'm done eating, I will show you how this hotel looks in the evening. So it's evening and this is the view of the hotel. It's beautifully lit, and I'm standing in the common lobby area, and a staff is arranging some plates for dinner. You can clearly see it. There's a bunch of friends who are sitting and chilling. There's a waterfall right next to Summit whose noise you can continuously hear from the room, which I'm going to show you tomorrow morning. So you have to wait for that. But yeah, otherwise it's absolutely tranquil. It's 8:30 and we have ordered some pasta for dinner. We are having it in our room and calling it a night. See you tomorrow. Good morning. It's day 2 of our trip and it's 6:50 a.m. in the morning. But it's already very sunny out here. We are having a cup of coffee and I'll show you around. Yesterday I showed you the interior portion of the hotel, but today as I step out for a walk in a while, I'll show you the outside. I'll show you how beautiful this property is. Till then, just enjoy the view from my balcony. What was your experience at staying?
Lovely.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah,
Wasn't the food amazing?
amazing food.
Yeah. And are we looking forward towards our breakfast? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
But you
Very
need to
hungry.
record my vlog first. Good morning, you beautiful people. Today is the day 2 of our trip and we are standing at the entrance of Summit Hotels, Resorts and Spa. This is Summit Norli. It is at least 15 to 20 minutes drive from MG Marg. It is located at a place called Ronggay near the Central Jail in Gangtok. Well, if you are somebody like me who has visited Gangtok before multiple times and you are not at all interested to spend your life among the hustle and bustle of the city, then this is the place where you should be. It is away, it is nestled just in the lap of the nature. It's beautiful. You can enjoy some quality time with your family, your friends, your loved one, and you can be at peace. Sikkim is incomplete without Buddhism, and once you enter the Summit Norling Resorts and Spa, you will get that vibe. You can just roll these drums, you can chant, you can pray, and you can just let out some beautiful, peaceful messages to the universe. Once you drive down or walk towards the hotel, you will find the reception area. The customary figure that you see in the front is exclusive in all Summit hotels. And before you walk into the reception area, make sure that you have your vaccination certificates and your travel card ready if you are planning to visit Sikkim. Once you're done with the process, this is your waiting area. During the peak season, this is the most availed area. As you move down the stairs, towards the left is the dining, and towards the right you go towards your room. This is the dining area that I was showing you since yesterday. The name is very familiar to most of you if you have visited Sikkim. This is a staff property, and it's absolutely lush green, and you are going to stay in nature's lap. Nobody to disturb you while you are on a break. You'll see this angelic statue right in front of you, and as you walk down this area, you can go towards your rooms. Hi, if you're coming during winter season and you're a big group, you can have your bonfire and barbecue chicken over there. So we have come for breakfast, and there's an exclusive choice between North Indian, Italian, South Indian cuisines at Somgo, the dining area. You can choose whatever we want, and we are completely stuffing ourselves because we have to travel all the way to Lachen today. So before we move out and check out of this hotel, we are just having a sumptuous breakfast. But before I check out, I'm going to show you around a bit. This is the waterfall that I was talking about. It is just 5 minutes walk from Norlin, and when you are staying at the property, you can continuously hear the noise of this waterfall. That's my mom over there. Hi. Just enjoy this beautiful place. So right next to the waterfall is this area, which is not a monastery but a residence for senior citizens. I have soaked in all the beauty that Norling has offered to me, and now I can't wait to travel towards Lachen. If you like this video and if you want more content on such beautiful properties, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.